We all love exploring new videos on YouTube, but what happens when a video starts playing automatically every time you hover over it in the feed? It can be pretty annoying, especially when you want to focus only on what you want to watch. In this guide, I will show you how easily you can turn off this feature and regain full control over what gets played. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, it would mean a lot if you could subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified about my new tutorials. So open the YouTube app on your phone. When you're on the YouTube homepage, you'll immediately notice that videos start playing automatically as soon as you hover over them. Fortunately, there's an easy way to turn off this feature. First, tap on U in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've done that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings page. In the settings, the next step is to scroll down and in the video and audio preferences section, find the option for playback and tap on it to open additional options. When you're in the playback section, you'll see a lot of options. Find the playback and feed option and tap on it. Finally, you'll see 3 options: always on, Wi-Fi only, and off. Tap on off to disable it. Once you've turned off playback in the feed, return to the YouTube homepage and you'll see that videos no longer automatically start playing when you hover over them. Now you can browse the content without distractions and decide which video you want to watch without unwanted playback. If this video was helpful to you, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.